guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to review this play-doh playset, Dr. Drill and Fill. Okay guys, and here's all of the pieces and tools that comes in this box. Here we have half of the patient's mouth, and this is the patient head, and it has a cavity so you can place the teeth here. In this half you just place it here and click. It also comes with this mold so you can make the teeth. It also comes with one electric drill, some tweezers, another dentist tool, a toothbrush, and this is another tool with a mirror and a braces roller. It comes with 3 cans of play-doh, white, red, and gray. And it also comes with instructions. Okay, well now let's have fun with this Dr. Drill and Fill playset. Using the red play-doh, let's make a tongue for our patient. Now using my white play-doh, I'm gonna make some teeth for the patient. Okay guys, now that we made all of our teeth, let's give our patient a new smile. I'm going to be using the tweezers to place the teeth and the cavities. And here's our patient with the new smile. Uh-oh, our patient is back. He's having some cavities now. Let's fix those cavities. Uh-oh, that looks like a very bad cavity. Now we need to brush our patient teeth. Ready, now let's give him some braces. And our patient is ready. What do you guys think? I think he looks better now. I think this playset is a lot of fun. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.